Hello, sleepy little learners. Welcome to Little English Learners. Let's read a bedtime story today. This is a story of a little girl and a fairy. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Lily. She was kind, cheerful, and loved to pick flowers in the garden every night. Lily looked at the stars and made a wish. One night, as she was falling asleep, she heard a tiny voice. Lily? Lily? She sat up and looked around. What a surprise! A little fairy with shiny wings and a glowing dress flew into her room. Hello, Lily, said the fairy. My name is Misty. I heard your wish. My wish. But I didn't say it out loud, asked Lily. Fairies can hear wishes from the heart, said Misty. Lily smiled. I wished to fly and see the stars. Misty clapped her hands and said, Then let's go. She sprinkled some golden fairy dust on Lily. You know what happened? Lily began to float. They flew out of the window into the night sky. The stars were close and shining bright. Lily laughed with joy. She saw the moon smiling, clouds dancing. Wow, this is magical, Lily said. They flew over mountains, rivers, and forests. Misty showed her the fairy garden where flowers sang and butterflies told stories. Everything was so beautiful. Soon, Lily began to yawn. I'm sleepy, she said. Misty said, It's time to go home, little star flyer. They flew back to Lily's room. Misty helped her into bed and said softly, Always believe in magic. Will I see you again? Asked Lily with sleepy eyes. Yes, my dear, Misty said. You can see me whenever you believe and dream with your heart. Lily smiled and closed her eyes. Misty turned into shiny light and was gone. The next morning, Lily woke up with a golden flower on her pillow. She held it close and said, Thank you, Misty. From that day on, Lily always believed in magic, dreams, and fairies. That's little Lily's magical story. So kids, be good, be kind, and always believe in your dreams. If you wish with all your heart, your dream can come true one day. Good night, little ones. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos.